Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we have one PS4 to fix. We need to replace HDMI port. Here is PlayStation 4. It's working, but there is no display on the TV. So we're gonna change HDMI port. HDMI port is look damaged. Here is HDMI port. This we have to change. So let's start it. Okay, so I open this. Now we check the what is condition of the HDMI port. Okay, this is HDMI port. It's from back side. It look like somebody was changed this already before, and now it's damaged again. Anyway, we will change it. Okay, we put in microscope and we start here. Okay, here is board. First we check if there is a broken line or unsoldered pin. Okay, we can see here that the first two pins from left side, they are disconnected from the board. You see this and this one. All others are good, but these two are disconnected. Anyway, it's better to all the port change. It put here new HDMI port because this port is not good. I show you from here is damaged. You see from his side, from downside is open from here. Anyway, so now we have to change all the port, and we use new port here. Okay, so first of all we use here low melting solder. This is the low melting solder. This we have to mix with this point. Okay. Yeah, broken HDMI port we took out. Now we have to clean the place and then we put the new one. Before to put here new HDMI port, we need to put here solder, press solder on the all the pins, all the points here on the pad. Okay, here is the new HDMI port. Okay, before to solder the legs, first we solder some pads, because if we solder first leg, then the charging this HDMI port will move. Then we cannot see the pads. Like this, we first solder the all the pins. Okay, now we give the final step. Now we check again if they are also sit good on the pad. all looks good, but we put a little bit more solder to be sure. You can start from left side. Okay, now we check if all the pins are solid. Take something else. Solid. Solid. Like this we test all the pins if they are soldered good on the pad. Solid and solid. Okay, job is done. Now we will test, but first we have to put back the motherboard in the case, and then we test. Okay, so now I was assemble this. Now we test. We put HDMI port, HDMI cable. We switch on. Let's power on. And here we go. There is display on the TV. Everything looks fine. HDMI port is solid now, not shaking, not losing picture, everything is okay. Thanks for watching.